Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Today, we will learn about the daily inspection and maintenance items for pipelines. Although pipelines may seem inconspicuous, they play a critical role in transporting water, gas, oil, and other essential materials. If issues arise, they will cause serious problems. Therefore, it is necessary to regularly routine integrity inspection on pipelines. The daily inspection and maintenance items for pipelines mainly include pressure gauges, thermometers, safety valves, pipeline supports, support foundations, insulation layers, valve packing, and bolts, etc. Pressure gauges bear the critical task of indicating pipeline pressure. We primarily rely on functional verification through visual examination. Check for any cracks, ensure the pointer is responsive. Verify that the impulse line is unobstructed and confirm that the lead seal is intact. Pressure gauges must be regularly calibrated to ensure accurate readings. If a pressure gauge is damaged and not repaired in time, and if the damage is not detected during daily inspections, misjudgment of pressure could lead to overpressure in the pipeline, potentially causing safety accidents. The inspection method for thermocouple thermometers also relies on visual examination. The main focus is to ensure that the indicated temperature is accurate. If a thermocouple thermometer fails and does not display excessive temperatures, it may lead to stress, corrosion, creep, and other adverse effects on the pipeline material, posing safety risks to the pipeline system. Therefore, regular calibration and maintenance are essential. Issues should be identified and resolved promptly. To ensure the safe operation of the pipeline system, for pipelines that are prone to overheating or operate at high reaction temperatures, safety valves are typically installed. Safety valves act like fuses in our homes. During inspections, the main focus is on whether there are any foreign objects stuck between the valve core and spring, whether the adjustment screws are loose, whether the spring and other components are damaged, whether there is any gas leakage, and whether the lead seal is intact. If a safety valve fails to open during overpressure conditions, it can easily lead to explosion accidents. Regular inspection and maintenance as well as calibration during shutdowns or pressure relief ensure that the safety valve is always in optimal condition. Bursting discs, also known as rupture discs or explosion-proof membranes, rely on the rupture of the membrane to release pressure, forcing the container to stop operating after pressure relief. They are one-time pressure relief devices. When the pressure difference across the disc reaches a predetermined value at the set bursting temperature, the disc will activate, rupture, or fall off, and release the fluid. Before installation, carefully inspect for any cracks or damage, and ensure the specifications and models match. During daily inspections, observe whether the membrane has any defects, and replace the bursting disc regularly to prevent aging or damage. Pipelines are like the blood vessels of our city, and supports are the skeleton that holds these vessels in place. So, how do we check if these supports are healthy? It's simple. Look, listen, and feel. Use your eyes to see if the supports are loose. Use your ears to listen for any abnormal vibrations in the pipeline, and use your hands to feel the stability of the supports and check for any damage For loose supports, tighten the bolts promptly to reinforce them. For damaged components, repair or replace them as soon as possible. Earlier, we discussed pipeline supports. The foundations of these supports are similar in function. Regularly observe the foundation for any sinking, and address it immediately if detected. Also, keep an eye on any cracks to see if they are expanding. The insulation layer refers to the structure wrapped around the pipeline that provides thermal insulation. When inspecting the insulation layer, we mainly focus on the main materials, on whether the primary material is damaged, detached, damp, or ineffective, whether the moisture barrier is damaged or ineffective, and whether the outer protective layer is damaged or detached. If any of these issues are found, the insulation material should be replaced promptly, and any damage should be repaired immediately. If problems are not identified and addressed in time, it could lead to heat loss and corrosion of the pipeline, or even premature failure of the insulation structure. Valves are ubiquitous in pipelines. Under sealing primarily relies on packing. During daily inspections, pay attention to whether there is any leakage in the valves. If there is any dripping or leakage, replace the valve gasket promptly. To prevent chemical materials from leaking into the environment, which could cause injuries or even fire and explosion accidents. Finally, let's look at bolts, which are found in every corner of the pipeline and are responsible for the stable operation of the entire system. During daily inspections, check whether the bolts are loose or corroded, and tighten them or apply anti-rust oil as needed to prevent small issues from leading to major failures. Through this lesson, we have learned about some of the key aspects of daily pipeline inspections. By identifying and addressing potential safety hazards during inspections, and by reporting and repairing issues promptly, we can prevent many accidents from occurring. Safety in production is everyone's responsibility.